A very warm welcome and good morning to everybody. This is Chris from thetradingmentors.com. Hope you're having a wonderful morning or afternoon, evening, whatever time it is in your world. And welcome. So the first thing we're looking at this morning on this briefing is the news. So there's a couple of things going on in the Canadian retail sales at 1:30. So if you need any Canadian, that could be a bit volatile. And then we got the Fed Williams speech as well. So what's likely to happen is the markets could, and there's a Powell speech as well. So that's going to have a high impact at about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So you may find that markets remain sideways for the day while they wait for the speech. But let's see what's going on. First of all, congratulations to all my members who bought the New Zealand dollar a few days ago. That's another 129 pips. Congratulations. Congratulations if you're long pound yen. Currently about 162 pips in profit, heading for target. Congratulations if you have gone long the euro yen. The euro yen is a little bit different in that we do have some resistance at this area here, as you can see on the left on the advanced pro charts. This is a clear indication that there is possibly going to be a downward move, but we're in profit by about 200 pips from 147.87 and sorry, 100 pips. I think that's 200. Yeah. So we're in profit anyway, and of course it's heading for target 151. But what we're going to do is manage this a little bit better, a little bit on the Boss chart and the Advanced Pro charts. Congratulations if you are long the US Swiss, as we bought it the other day. It's starting to make a move now, and we are up some 50 pips, no big deal, but heading for target 91.25. Let's see what's going on elsewhere in the markets. DXY on the Advanced Pro charts. As you can see, all the buyers are in. Your chart should look exactly the same. If you don't have the Advanced Pro chart, let me know. If you're not a TTM member, then there's a link below on YouTube so that you can come in for free. But if you want the charts, of course, the Advanced Pro charts are the best in the world. And of course, they immediately tell you where to buy and continue, and also work out targets as well. So there was a buy here on the DXY, and this is continuation into a wave 4. There's a buy here on the DXY, so there's lots of opportunities to buy this. If you want to trade the DXY, you can. We don't trade the DXY, we just use this as correlation. Now the full analysis is for members only this afternoon during the New York session, where I go through everything in a lot more detail. But long DXY, long dollar. Yen futures, continuation of the downward move. A nice sell signal, fresh one a few days ago, and all the sellers are in, and so therefore the price is going to go down. This correlates with the yens. Euro yen in profit, pound yen in profit, New Zealand yen hit target. Swiss yen, we're not looking at that. Swiss franc futures, well, it's very visual, the Advanced Pro charts. You can actually see immediately where the price is going. Red for sell, green for buy. So that's very, very simple. The simpler the better, and you can make immediate decisions within a few minutes each morning whether the price is going up or down. The correlation between the Swiss franc is that if this is going down, then the pound Swiss will be going up. It's not doing much at the moment, but we are long this and we expect this price to go higher. We've got a buy signal above the 50-day moving average. Everything's saying buy here and on the left as well, and all the buyers are in. So I think sterling's just holding this back a little bit at the moment, but we should start to see some movement in the next few days. Miners are obviously a lot slower than the majors, so just keep an eye on that. Let's look at gold. Congratulations again on gold yesterday. Hit our targets 1976, 1971, 1965. 0.24. So there's definitely a lot of profits to be had yesterday if you have the gold software. The gold software forms part of the advanced pro charts as well. That's included. So you get the advanced pro charts, you get the gold software, you get the oil software as well. So great combination, guys. So now we can see the price is currently 1962.36. Probably going to go sideways today, but any movement above the 50-day moving average and 1965.2, is going to drive the price higher to 1978 and then the 1986 in extension. So as long as the price remains below 1965.20, then that shows weakness and the price is going to go back to 1952.33 and then the extension is 1944. So they're the targets for today. There is some kind of divergence negative on this as well, the price going up, yet the RSI is pointing down, so that indicates that further downside move is likely. So keep an eye on that. In terms of the gold software, what we need to see ideally is a complete breakdown of the break of structure, as we call it, of the chart, but it's not ready yet. But any kind of sell down to 1952.33 and then extension 1943.98. Now I'll be updating members this afternoon during the New York session where the volume should pick up, but we may find that due to the speeches it will go sideways, but we can't help that. But I'll give you an update anyway. Have a good morning.